Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm going to be going over a breathing technique that's typically used in a vinyasa style practice. You might have heard your teacher in a vinyasa class saying, use your UJJAYI breath. And today I'm going to be taking you through how to use that breath and what the technique is behind it. So your UJJAYI breath is used to create heat within your body. When you're using this breath, you inhale and exhale through your nose. When you exhale, you use a slight restriction in the back of your throat. So when you breathe in, take an expansive inhale. And when you breathe out, have a slight restriction in your throat. You should be able to hear that exhale, and over time, you'll have more and more control over it. If you're having trouble with this exhale, imagine fogging up a mirror. Let's try it together. Take a deep breath in, open your mouth, and breathe out as if you were gonna fog up a mirror. Notice how you feel in your throat when you do that. Now, let's try the same thing, but in through the nose and out through the nose. So take a deep breath in, fog up the mirror, out through the nose. Now, a common thing you might want to combine with this type of breath is engagement of your core. So when you breathe in, you want to expand through the rib cage, and when you breathe out, you want to engage the core, hug the belly button up and in as tight as you can. This helps you bring in as much air as you can when you breathe in and expel out as much air as you can as you squeeze the core in and let all of that breath out. So let's try it together. Put your palms on the sides of your rib cage so you can feel your breath as it goes in and out. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, engage the core. Notice how tight it can feel. And now you can keep this core engagement as you breathe your UJJAYI breath, but you'll notice at least a slight expansion as you inhale and engage even more as you exhale. So let's take 3 deep UJJAYI breaths together. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Do you feel a little bit of warmth in your body? When you combine this type of breath with movement, you can really warm up your body fast. And it's a really good practice for your vinyasa style practice. When you use this breath, you can bring energy into your muscles and again, use that core strength as you're flowing through and breathing with your flow. I hope you found these tips helpful when it comes to UJJAYI breath or breath of fire. If you did, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions regarding this breath or any other type of breath used in a yoga practice. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.